Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can copy the link of your YouTube channel. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to copy the link of your YouTube channel, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, of course, you will need to open your YouTube. And once you're on your YouTube, next, I want you to tap your profile at the bottom right corner. And after tapping your profile, next, I want you to tap the view channel in order to open your YouTube channel. And after that, you will now be on your YouTube channel. So to copy the link of the YouTube channel, it's so simple. Just tap this 3 dots at the top right corner. And then tap share. And after that, there it is guys. You will now be able to see the copy link button, so just tap it to completely copy the link of your channel. And then that's it guys, it's done. Your channel link will now be copied, so you can now paste or share it wherever you want. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.